Now, yesterday we discussed the nomenclature of the alkyl halides. We see the common name system as well as the IUPAC name system of the alkyl halides. Now, today we want to discuss the nomenclature of the haloarenes. Again, in haloarenes, there are two systems are used to nomenclature the haloarenes. That is common name system and IUPAC name system. In common name system of the haloarenes, generally for monohalogen derivatives or monohaloarenes, position that is ortho, para, ortho, meta, para positions are not used. For dihaloarenes, ortho, meta and para positions are used with respect to particular group. That is, only for dihaloarenes ortho, meta and para positions are used, and in case of trihaloarenes or other more than 3 substituents attached to the benzene ring, then again ortho, meta and para positions are not used. So remember, in case of the common name system, only for the dihalogen derivatives ortho, meta and para positions are used, and for mono or trihaloarenes ortho, meta and para positions are not used. Now, in case of the IUPAC name system, IUPAC name system, in case of IUPAC name system, except monohalogen derivatives or except monohaloarenes, for all remaining haloarenes numbers are used. Numbers are used, and again priority order of the particular group is used there. For example, if we consider this is the structure of chlorobenzene, and on that position, suppose chlorine atom is present again there, then common name system of this is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This will be carbon number 1, this will be 2, or write carbon number 1 and 2, no problem. So in IUPAC name system, numbers are used here, and if you write the several structures, their common names and IUPAC names here. For example, write structure, then its common name and IUPAC name. In first stage, this is the simple structure. Common name will be chlorobenzene. IUPAC name will be also same name will there, chlorobenzene. Similarly, you can write bromobenzene or iodobenzene like that. This is the structure of bromobenzene. In common name, IUPAC name is also same, bromobenzene. Now, if we consider di-substituted benzene derivatives, that is haloarenes, then see how the names, common names and IUPAC names are given. For example, write 2 chlorine atoms attached with this position. Common name is simply dichlorobenzene, and its IUPAC name will be 1,2-dichlorobenzene. 1,2-dichlorobenzene. If you write different substituents attached to there. For example, right here chlorine and here NO2 group is right there. Then it will be the orthonitrophlorobenzene. Orthonitrophlorobenzene, and IUPAC name will be priority order of the halogen group is more than the NO2 group. So this will be position 1, this will be position 2. So name of this compound will be 2-nitrochlorobenzene. 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 Some another names we write. Suppose this is the benzene and the methyl group is substituted there, and suppose here chlorine atom is there. Then common name of this compound will be, this position will be ortho, and total structure is considered as a structure of the toluene. So write common name orthochlorotoluene. Orthochlorotoluene, or sometimes write as a orthochloromethylbenzene also. There, IUPAC name of that compound will be 2-chloroposition. This will be carbon number 2. 2-chlorotoluene. 2-chlorotoluene. Similarly, if we take another compound, for example, right here, suppose we write this compound, then it will be orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Priority order of SO3H group is more than the chlorine. So this will be carbon number 1, this will be carbon number 2. So you can write name of this compound is 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is the name of that compound. Similarly, if we write another name for that compound, suppose right here again structure of the toluene, and at that position suppose we write iodine. And what will be the name, common name for that compound? Common name for that compound is para-iodotoluene. Para-iodotoluene, and IUPAC name, this will be carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4-iodotoluene. 4-iodotoluene is the name for that compound. Then see some another example. For example, we write 3 substituted haloarenes. Suppose chlorine, and here write chlorine. Then in common name system only we write trichlorobenzene. But while we writing the IUPAC names for that compound, then use the lowest locant rule. So this will be carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And not count the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So according to the lowest rule, from right side nomenclature will be correct. So IUPAC name for that compound will be 1,2,4 trichlorobenzene. 1,2,4 trichlorobenzene. Now see one more another example. Suppose we write this benzene substituted compound and CH2Cl. What will be the common name for that compound? Common name for that compound is the benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. And remember well that IUPAC name, while we write here only one carbon is present, so it is considered as a derivative of methane. So in IUPAC name we write 1-chloro or only write chlorophenylmethane, because here 2 hydrogen atoms of the methane are substituted by 1 chlorine atom and 1 benzene ring or say phenyl. So IUPAC name of the star, this compound, very important IUPAC name, chlorophenyl methane. Chlorophenyl methane. Okay, so such as several types of the common names and IUPAC names are used here. You have to give the structure, then you have to familiar with the write their common names as well as their IUPAC names. Okay, so we will stop here. Tomorrow we will discuss about the methods of preparation of the alkyl halides and halogens. Okay, we stop here.